new week. It has been hotter than heck. So it's actually been 2 weeks since I've worked on anything. So yeah, just chugging along. All right, I'm done prepping for the side of the rocker panels underneath that where the plates and everything are going to go. Just sanding that coil seal down so that I can get ready to primer it. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint it yet, but I might just leave it a primer, but maybe I'll paint it black. I thought I'd show you guys what I did last time I worked on it. Last time we prepped inside of here, and I don't know, you can't probably tell very well with the shadow, but we sanded and primered and painted all around the hole so we can get ready to seam seal it in. And then we also primered and painted that transmission housing. I'm forgetting something I've been needing to work on this in order to get those rocker panels in, specifically on the passenger side. But I forgot I've got to get that fixed, and so I'll have to figure out what we need to do there before I can think about welding it in. The other side's probably pretty close to being done, but this one is definitely going to need some help. This right here is the under dashboard Destroyer 2000, or as more commonly known as a soda blaster. I had an uncle recommend I use this, and one of my other uncles had it, and but the uncle that recommended this said I might not want to use this because I'll get pretty angry about how fast it's going to do this. But I'm going to use it for under my dashboard, and yeah, we'll see if it works or not. It should be a lot cleaner than sandblasting it, and so let's see if I get pretty annoyed with how quick it works. All right, I was wrong. That was easily just as messy as sandblasting, but I'm hoping it'll clean up faster. Look at that. Try without getting in that.
Well, that seems simple enough. Point bag away from home, feet.
Well, that was a lot messier than I was expecting, but it still did a really good job. As you guys can see, that was 100% quicker. Not angry though, because it was quicker. It would have been nice to have in the past, but that's all right. But thanks for watching, guys. Comment below if you guys have any questions, or you know, like and subscribe. That's all that good stuff. Thanks, guys.